top 5 best video doorbell. Here is the item number 5. TMEZON-Intelligent IP Video Doorbell. Benefits of the products: 10-inch TFT screen touch monitor with easy operation system and advanced functions, leading 4-channel display. Wi-Fi RJ45 port connect to internet. Only works with 2.4 GHz router band. Outdoor doorbell with waterproof cover, built-in infrared sensor and 720p camera, 100-degree wide viewing angle, night vision, rainproof, dustproof, and anti-vandal, and can connect all electronic lock. Here is the item number 4. 7-inch screen, Intercom doorbell. Benefits of the products: 1.7 color TFT LCD with touchscreen sensitivity. No radiation, low power consumption. Waterproof cover design, antioxidant outdoor unit with piano-based lacquer panel. 25 kinds of rings for selection. Support 2000 ID card unlock, password unlock, remote control unlock. Piano baking lacquer panel design on indoor unit, more fashionable and luxury. Here is the item number 3. Wireless Wi-Fi 960p video intercom for home. Benefits of the products: support iOS and Android smartphone with Tuya Smart app. Digital system, 4-wire cable connection. 2-way communication between indoor and outdoor unit. Support 2-way communication between monitors. 1.3 MP camera, wide viewing angle. When someone calls outside, your monitor and smartphone will ring at the same time. Here is the item number 2. Jeatone-Tuya Smart Video Intercom. Benefits of the products: the multi-dimensional connection can be used to realize a smart intercom on any device, including Connect Tap with outdoor unit, indoor unit connect with indoor. The monitor is not only an indoor monitor, but also a clear electronic clock and an elegant work of art. When the operation is finished, it will stay in clock mode for 1 minute, then turn off automatically to protect the screen life. Stylish illustration. Here is the item number 1. Videophone Wi-Fi wireless video intercom system. Benefits of the products: the outdoor camera is equipped with the rubber gasket ring, which also makes it can work well even in bad weather. Whenever the video intercom detects an action, it automatically photographs or records the video. You will receive a notification from Tuya at the same time, so you can remotely monitor what he is doing or talk to him. Therefore, you will never be missed by anyone who is your friend, family or an uninvited guest. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.